How to get access to Axiom Pro full guide. So Axiom is a comprehensive trading platform designed for Solana blockchain, offering users a seamless experience trading token and managing their crypto assets. To access and start using Axiom Pro, here's the following steps you need to follow. So the first thing you have to do is to visit the Axiom Pro website. Navigate to the Axiom Pro official website to begin the process. Then on step 2, you have to sign up or connect your wallet. So using a wallet, if you have a Solana compatible wallet like a Phantom, click on the connect wallet option. This will link your existing wallet to Axiom Pro. Or if you want to use email or Google account. Alternatively, you can sign up using your email or Google account. During the process, Axiom will generate a new wallet for you, ensure securely store and recovery phrase provided as it's essential for accessing your fund. Now on the step 3, you have to generate or import your Axiom wallet. So after connecting, you may need to generate a new Axiom wallet. This wallet will have the address starting with the AX and linked to your Phantom wallet. And also, it is crucial to reveal and securely store your Axiom wallet private key. This can be done by navigating to the account and security section of the platform. Now on step 3, you have to deposit your fund. Then on step 4, you have to deposit funding. So to start trading, deposit Solana native token. Then to start trading with funds in your wallet. Also, that's it.